What's going on, guys? It's your man Ed Hayes, the wholesale coach here, back for another video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you all how to scrub your leads against the do not call list, so you're not putting yourself in situations where you can get prosecuted by known litigators. So I hope that you all are pumped for this content, man. Go ahead, hit that like button for me. Now, let's go ahead, let's get into it.
Push the button. Push the goddamn button.
Push the goddamn button!
You heard what she said.
What's going on, guys? Look, we are here at the computer now, and I'm not going to keep you all here for that long. I just want to give you all a brief breakdown of this site I came across that you can literally scrub your leads against the known litigators list. And this site is called BatchLitigator Scrub. Now, I'm going to assume that not a lot of people know about this particular site. This is from the same company that has Batch Leads, Batch Skip Tracing. Batch is a company in itself, and they have a 100% free litigator search. All right, so I've used this system a couple times myself, and basically what it does is, let's say, for instance, you upload a list of 1,000, 2,000 people. What BatchLitigator Scrub is going to do is essentially just remove everyone from your list that is a known litigator or a DNC complainer. All right, so they're going to send you another list of just all of the people that are on the known litigator list, or they're known for complaining to the DNC, that people have been calling them. All right, so I really like this. I think that is really nice because it's free. Now, there's a ton of people on the DNC list, right? Like a lot of times when you scrub your list against the do not call list, you're automatically losing about half of your list. However, when you are using this batch litigator scrub, what I like about it is that it's really only removing the people that are known to kind of give people issues, right? And it may only be like a couple dozen. So don't be shocked when you only see like not very many leads on there. But essentially, it just keeps you a lot safer versus like removing everyone who's on the do not call list. They're simply removing the people who are known to try to litigate us, who are known to try to stop us from calling them and just sitting at home waiting to get that phone call from you so they can try to litigate you in court pretty much and try to sue you. All right, so this site right here, BatchLitigator Scrub, all you have to do is just scroll down the page right here. It's 100% free. And like I said, it gets rid of those serial TCPA litigators, people who, have filed lawsuits, complained to the DNC. And it's from Batch. Batch is a great company. A lot of people already know, love, and trust Batch. So I highly recommend that you guys check this out. It seems like no one's actually using this site. They have like this little proof thing on here that shows you how many people are like on the site. And like when I get on here, it looks like I'm like the only person that's actually on the site. Look, 2 active visitors right now. No one's actually using this site, y'all. So don't sleep. Don't cheat yourself. Hop up on Batch Litigator Scrub so you can do yourself some justice. Get rid of those known litigators. Get rid of those DNC complainers, and just have a list that is just full of people who are probably willing to actually get that phone call. At least they're not the complainers. They're not the people who are prosecuting us. Okay. So all you have to do is simply go down. You just click the little get started thing. It's really simple. I'm just going to show you all this real quick. You just click that, and then you'll upload your list right here. Once you upload your list, you'll map the fields, and then you'll just write in your like your name, phone number, email, and things of that nature. And then it will send you an email and let you know when that list is ready. But actually, it happens like right on the internet. Pretty quickly, actually. It doesn't take very long. So I'm just going to go through this process real fast, real quick, just to show you all this. Boom. Let's click those. We're going to submit that. Easy peasy. Let's see. Phone belongs to phone 1. Next. And then this is where you'll just put in your information. Whoa. Boom. Throw in a little information right there. And then it's pretty much doing the work right now. As I'm speaking, it's actually doing the scrub of the list right now. So now it's done, and then you can go ahead and download your matched file, and you can download the original file as well to see how many people are actually on that DNC list. Now, I actually just got an email with my list, and as you all can see right here, let's see if you all can see that. See, it's giving me, let's see, can you all see that? Lord have mercy. Well, look, either way, y'all know that this is a spreadsheet right here. I'm showing you all the actual leads that they pulled. It was about, I want to say maybe about like 15 of those leads that was on that list have been DNC scrubs pretty much. Like they took those leads off of my list. So essentially what you would do at this point is this. If you're using a system like a PropStream, a Call Tools, REI Reply, or whatever system that you're using to market to people, what you'll do is simply upload this list that I just got from BatchLitigator Scrub, upload it back into your system, and you're going to append the data that you already have inside of your system, and you're going to tell that system like, hey, put these leads on the DNC list, like remove these people from all of our campaigns and do not contact them anymore. So you could do that inside of Call Tools. You can do that inside of REI Reply. Depending on the marketing system that you're using, there's a high likelihood that it's going to have an option right there for you to upload a new list, select that you want these people to be marked as DNC, and append the data that's already inside of your system so it reflects the new data that you're giving it. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. I hope that that's not too complicated for you all. But anyway, I'm going to make this video nice, short, sweet, straight to the point, guys. I just wanted to put y'all on to this BatchLitigator Scrub. I may have another video coming out soon just talking about some other do not call services that you can use out there. A lot of them are paid for. Some of them you can get them at a pretty low cost, and they can do some additional things for you as well. So just be on the lookout. I may drop another video about that. But as always, guys, drop a comment down below and let me know what you want me to make a video on next. Did you find value in this video? If so, man, make sure that y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're brand new around here. Until next time, guys, we're gonna go and wrap this up. Till next time, we are out.